How to clear your cookies on your computer on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be talking about clearing your cookies on your computer on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after go to roblox.com. It will take you to the official website where you must be logged into your specific account. After signing into your Roblox account, locate and click on the cog icon in the top right corner in order to access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings option and navigate to the Security tab on the left side and securely sign out of all these sessions. Remember, you may need to log in again on other devices where you use the Roblox. Ensure that you have your Authenticator app or the email ready for the verification, and once you have successfully signed out of all the sessions, delve into the browser settings. In case if you're using a Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. Here on this page, go to Privacy and Security, and then after click on Clear Browsing Data. Click on it, and within the Advanced tab, select All Time and opt to clear the cookies and site data. It's also advisable to clear the cache to ensure a thorough reset of the cookies on Roblox. And by following the simple steps, you will effectively clear your cookies on your computer using Roblox. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.